Hey guys, how you doing? This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and in today's video I will tell you about an event which is going on and it repeats after few days, so you can play it and get lots of rewards in return. The event section had a muster for battle event right now, which is called as Monica's Wish. You can get Monica's 10 shard for completing 5 event rallies in this section. I have completed it, but you can go for more. So there are fellows in danger, you have to rescue them. So you need 20 energy for this. Okay, so just like this, click on the rally button and you have to just make an rally and you will get these rewards for sure. Okay, so these rewards are huge. You can see 339 experience, you getting 16 drone points and other rewards, and potential rewards are also huge. There are lots of chances to earn this 2.5k alliance points which can be redeemed in alliance store. So that's a great deal to attack them. You can attack as many as times till the event go. Okay, so maybe this event is about 24 hours maybe. So there's a time limit. Yeah, you can see the time limit. 1 day 16 hours are remained. So it can be 2 days. So you can see our rally is successful and I got lots of reward. You can see one ticket also there, and there's lots of other rewards also which can give you lots of boosts. Okay, so I'm claiming it, and you can search them and again rally it if you have good stamina, lots of stamina. So you can attack them by help of your alliance and get these rewards for free. You can see I got extra Monica shard. So there are lots of rewards in here. So you can just play and complete the rallies and you'll get lots of reward for that.